Welcome back to Coyote Classics. Today we have quite the show for you.
We sure do. We bought 17 new cars last week. We're going to showcase about 8 of them here today, and when the rest of them all come in next week, look forward to that one as well.
We got some pretty neat, pretty rare stuff, so I'm excited to show you. Let's check them right out. We're going to start here down on the end with this 1966 Chevelle big black 4-speed car. Tell us about this one, Dad.
This is a car we actually sold, 4 or 5 years ago. Just took it back in on trade. It came in. It's heading to the detail shop today, so you will see this on the website, hopefully in the next few days.
But a really fun car with that 4-speed manual with the Hearst shifter, big black underneath the hood, and you can't beat the red paint.
This one here is a clone, but a very well done one.
And how about this? We just bought this over the weekend, a really nice 1963 Mercury Marauder.
You know what? It is a great car. Red on red, beautiful engine bay, 390 under the hood. Me and Brady took this one out a little earlier. Every single thing worked, including the original radio. The dash on these things is gorgeous.
It is. These are really neat. We haven't had many. I think we had one a year or so ago that was nothing like this. It was kind of a custom, painted in a weird turquoise and white. So I'm really excited to have this one with all the chrome still on it. Beautiful show quality paint, the 390.
Great color. This one here tops the cake though out of all our new cars. I said this, I bought, how many thousands and thousands of cars the last 25 years, but this old 56 Chevy drove better than anyone I've ever drove.
You're kidding me.
No, it was like, Brady thought it was like on clouds. Original radio works. Somebody put a 4-speed in it. Still has a 6-cylinder with the dual carbs. But and that's original color combination.
It's original color. Dust plum?
Yeah, something like that.
Beautiful.
One thing I'm gonna do is I've got a brand new set of American torque thrust wheels, chrome with raised white letter tires. I think that's just gonna really make this pop.
That'll look good. This is a neat little car. I'm glad to hear that it runs and drives like that.
The best one ever.
Now this is the one I'm really excited about. Very, very rare. Factory S-Code 1967 Mustang GT. S-Code meaning it came from the factory with a big block 390. Original colors on this car as well.
Yeah, this is so nice. Turquoise and anything, whether it be a GTO, Mustang, Chevelle, is my favorite color in a muscle car.
This is beautiful.
And you don't get much more muscle than a GT 390.
And in 67, they called this Clearwater Aqua. It's a gorgeous color, had a factory white vinyl top, just as it does today. Original turquoise interior, and it's got some pretty neat documentation that comes with it. Really excited to put this one in the showroom next to that rare R-Code 68 Fastback.
Wow, they're two nice examples right there. Factory 4-speed, original AM radio works, and the bright work and the trim on the seats, everything on this thing is just exquisite.
You think the Mustang's exquisite, but somebody out there on YouTube is gonna think this thing is very exquisite.
Dude, that's the word of the week.
That's a good one. This is really, really special. Tell them all about it.
Well, I don't know everything about it because we just got it, but the paint, body, chrome is awesome on this one. The interior is all original, so the door panels show just a little bit of wear, but this one again, original AM radio works. It runs and drives awesome. We got to do just a little bit of brake work.
1958 Buick Century. I love the 4-door hardtop with the no post, beautiful body lines. 58, they made some really nice cars. Chevy did, and so did Buick. Seems like you see a lot fewer of the Buicks of the 58 model year than you do of the Chevys, and it's just gorgeous. How about the grille? My favorite thing on this car is look at that grille. All individual little piece of chrome, V8 under the hood. It grabbed us right when we walked into the room.
We're like, we're gonna go home with this one.
Yeah, it's a cool car. And so is this one. This is original color combination on it too, two-tone green. But the thing with this car is just all around the edges, under the hood, in the trunk. It's just tight, nice, well done, well-detailed engine compartment.
But the best part about this is the way it drives. We turned the air on, ice cold air right off the trailer. Runs and drives fantastic. Just a small block in this one, but a nice 289. Kickdown works, beautiful, beautiful quality, turnkey driver.
But when you look at just the paint on the inner fenders, the manifolds, the engine itself, how all that was done, just tells you a lot about the car. I didn't drive this one yet, but I could have told you that just by looking at how, the kind of job they did.
Yeah, that's great. And the inside's wonderful as well. We got a call yesterday here at Coyote Classics from Sandy. She and her husband had a large collection of about 8 cars. So we're gonna go over there today, check them out, and hopefully we can buy a few and help her out. When I went out, I bought this one in a package of 4. The other 3 have not made it yet. So you'll see those on next week's video. But this one came in with a 72 Nova, 55 Chevy, and another Mustang coupe. But this one's 1965 Chevy Impala Super Sport. I really love this one. This has ice cold air conditioning right off Loomer's trailer as well. 327, appears to be the original coated motor. Steering, brakes, air, love the color.
And the thing that makes the 65, in my opinion, is the taillights. They're just iconic. 65 is right up there with the 60 Impalas, in my opinion, for my favorite style.
The interior on this is awesome too. They went ahead and went with the white seats, but they went with the light blue door panels, dash pad, everything like that. This one's crying out for some bigger tires and some raised white letters, so that's exactly what we did yesterday, is ordered those.
Some of these cars that we've seen out front here are not priced yet, but feel free to give us a call, talk to a sales rep. They can get you ahead of the game on some of these new cars coming in so you can get the jump on the next guy out there. I'll see what we got going in the shop today. Mike here's working on a 72 Nova that also came in with some of them cars up front. We'll let Mike tell you everything he's going to be doing to this.
Hey, I'm Michael Wilcox, and we just got this 72 Nova in our inventory, so I decided to check it in today. I think we're gonna do a couple things to it, like brake work. I think they just need adjusted. A lot of cosmetic things like wheel well trim. We'll put new wiper blades on it so they're nice and shiny. Flip the tires around so the white letters are on the outside. I gotta do some work to the battery too. It's in the trunk. I wanna replace it, replace the battery box while I'm at it. So this was a pretty simple car. It just needed that little bit of work. We got it through the shop pretty quick, about half a day's worth. Now we're ready to send it off to detail so we can get it on the website.
This thing here has been here about a couple weeks, and it's been one of the ones that has been kind of pushed back and we haven't got into it just because we don't know much about it. It's got a tri-carb, 6-cylinder, really cool car. Excited to see this one buffed up, cleaned up. Yep. And on the website.
Pretty neat, 1975 Datsun 280Z. We got a specialist here that's great with all the weird stuff like that. Pat's gonna be taking a look at it, getting it all dialed in, but a really neat car. I'm excited to see that one. And now this is one that we have to talk about. 1958 Ford Fairlane Starliner retractable. Really, really quality. Probably one of the nicest retractables there is for sale. Even just the little things, like when you look back here he went out and found like the factory luggage, which when you order these things new, you could get optional luggage that fit right in the little holder there in the back, and he went out and found that, which is really hard to find. The paint, body, chrome, everything on this is just over the top.
The underneath, did you mention that?
Underneath's fantastic.
It's all painted body color. Freaking, it's nice. The restorer of this one, the previous owner, won basically every show he ever entered, and he spent over $125,000 on the restoration alone.
Yeah, that's a very special car. Should be coming to the website here soon once we get done with the check-in and detail.
We just kind of finished up some sold cars. We did finish up a 66 Chevelle, a 66 Chevelle convertible, 67 Camaro. Those are all sold cars. We did our sold videos on them. That feels good. We have so many sold cars right now. I think we were up to 21 sold cars, tickets to do. We just knocked out 4 of them today. So, oh wow, Ryan, this is looking way better, huh?
If you guys watched our video a couple weeks ago, you've seen this little Mustang with the old original paint on it. Really cool car. It actually beat me in a race with that nice gold one we have. Finally made its way to the detail bay. Ryan's gonna just finish and put a nice shine on it, and it's going to the website.
Yeah. It's got about as good a shine on the outside as it's gonna get, but very solid car, beautiful engine bay. Like you said, interior looks nice now, so looks good.
Yeah, how do you like the newly painted detail bay, Rye?
Oh, I love it.
All cleaned up and shiny.
It looks great.
Yeah, a lot better. Did a lot of painting in the bay, made it look new again. Thanks for watching this week's walk around. As I said already, if you have any questions on anything, give us a call. We'll be happy to help you out. A lot of neat stuff. Make sure you continue to watch along on YouTube. Thanks to everyone that is subscribed, and if you're not, make sure you hit that subscribe button so you never miss another car. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.